Welcome back, friends, and today I'd like to go over this combination technique. If someone should throw a quick 2 strikes at you, and what you can do to counter this technique. So we have a special guest, and his name is Paul, and that's going to help demonstrate. Here. So hands up, here, and here. So this time quicker. And you can see that I extend the trip foot to have them trip over your foot. Again. This time slower, so you can see I'm blocking here and here. This time a little slower. Slow. Here. And you're just catching that second strike, and you're helping them trip over the foot with this chop. Okay. One more time, faster. And there you have it, friends. And when you be sure to drag their arm and chop at the same time over your trip foot, and you'll send them to the ground. And there you have it, friends. And until next time, have a great day.